Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to allow your friends to join your private server on Roblox. Let's get started. First, you need to have a private server. If you don't have one yet, go to the game you want to create it for. In this example, we are using Catalog Avatar Creator. Scroll down until you find the Servers section. Tap on it, and if you already have a private server, that's great. If not, go ahead and create one. Once your private server is created, look to the right of it and tap the three dots, then select Configure. On the next screen, scroll down and make sure that Allow Joining is turned on. Then, enable the option Friends Allowed. This setting will let your friends join the private server without needing an invite. Now you can go back and press Join, and your friends will be able to join you in the game. And that's it. Now you know how to allow your friends to join your private server on Roblox.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.